Hi everyone, I am Sai Krishna. I'm an Android app developer in Principal Ages, and this video is about a new update in FTA app. So on 30 Jan 2021, I launched version 2.0 of FTA app in Play Store. So it is available in Play Store now, and there are some updates which I am going to explain you now. This is a field travel allowances policy. Based on this policy, application generates expenses. Now let us understand the policy. In existing kilometer slab, the single way kilometers has mentioned here. The charges that we are giving you for 0 to 50 kilometers is 410 rupees. The charges includes your return journey also. Now the new update of FTA application will generate FTA based on these new kilometers. So the new kilometer slab is basically the total journey that you travel in a day. So 0 to 50 in existing kilometer slab and 0 to 100 in new kilometer slabs both are equal. There is no different in policy. Just for application purpose, new kilometer slabs has been implemented. So simply, whatever you travel, you are getting paid. Let us understand this with an example. This is an example, same day round trip example 1. Now engineer is at home. He need to open the application and he need to save his starting location by providing live location address and close the app. Now engineer need to travel to site. After reaching the site, he need to open the app. Now search for the site ID PAX 1231. Select the site ID and click on create travel expenses button to generate travel expenses. Now he need to submit a photo proof and submit travel details. Once you submit travel details, app will ask checkout details. Checkout should done while leaving the site. This is the same process that we used to do in earlier versions also. So what's new in the updated application? The new thing that I have implemented is collecting your return journey details. That means site to base location. Your base location may be your lodge or maybe your home. In this example, it is home. Previously, we used to give FTA based on journey that you traveled from base location to site. But in new application, we calculate your return journey details also to generate FTA. So you need to do one more thing in new updated application that I will show now. Click on continue in application. Here end option is available. Now you have two options. One is you can visit next site by searching the site ID here or choose end button here. If you want to go back to your base location, then choose this end option. After reaching your base location, choose this end option after reaching your base location. So this end option will set your live location as a destination location for your return journey. This marker in map is representing your live location. To set it accurately, click on this live location button or GPS button. Both will work. Before confirming the end location, I want to calculate FTA for this example. For example, I have traveled from home location to site. I won't take this 80. We'll just remove. And here I will remove 80. So I will totally remove this. So it will become 80. For 80 kilometers it is 410. So as per the new kilometer slab, see, as per the new kilometer slab, 0 to 100 is between 80 is in between 0 to 100. So 410 rupees. Now we'll create the return journey details in application. Now click on confirm end location to generate travel details of your return journey from site to base location. Now take selfie of you that indicates you are safe. So now we traveled from home to site and site to home. So claim will go to claims. So it is home to pax 1231 is equal to 80 kilometers. Pax 1231 to journey home equals to 80 kilometers. Then 80 plus 80 is equal to 160 kilometers. FTA 160 kilometers is equal to 560 as per the new slabs 101 to 200. So 160 is in between 101 to 200. So we'll go with another examples. Same-day round trip of visiting multiple sites. Example, just go through this slide, you will get it. We'll see another example. For this multiple days with multiple site visits, if you want any in YouTube video, then just please comment in comment section. I hope everyone understood the changes that I have done in this update. Thank you.